Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about using X, formerly known as Twitter, when you're offline. So here's the deal. X does not really work fully offline. You cannot scroll through new posts, load notifications or interact with tweets without an internet connection. However, there's a small exception. If you're already scrolling through your feed and your Wi-Fi or mobile data suddenly goes out, the content that was already loaded on your screen will still be visible. You can read tweets, look at images and see posts that were loaded before the connection dropped. But as soon as you try to refresh, check new notifications or access content that wasn't previously loaded, you won't be able to do that until you reconnect to the internet. So basically, X works only with limited functionality when offline. You can view what's already loaded, but anything new requires a live connection. And that's all you need to know about using X offline. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.